The Taboo of Uncertainty, Week 38 of Wisdom, Unearned Wisdom. Thomas Hobbes defined free will as the absence of obstacles, applying it to both animate and inanimate objects. According to Hobbes, humans are complex machines subject to the same laws of nature as rocks and bears. Immanuel Kant argued that free will depends on conscious volition and the ability to act against natural instincts. The objective nature of free will is less important than our beliefs about it, as these beliefs have consequences for society and legal precepts. Carl Jung challenged the reduction of reality to material causes and effects, highlighting the mysterious nature of scientific explanations. Jung believed that the urge to simplify reality and remove uncertainty hinders mental health and resilience. Rather than seeking to resolve every problem, Jung emphasized the importance of embracing the unknown and exploring it constantly. Modern individuals are taught to avoid obstacles and detours, leading to distorted and idealistic views of the world. When things don't go according to plan, individuals panic and feel disillusioned. Jung advised turning away from the taboo of uncertainty and embracing dangerous experiments and adventures into the unknown. He emphasized the importance of negation and embracing the unknown, contrasting this with the affirmations of logical positivists and scientific materialists. Jung warned that regressing to the past or running away from the future can lead to neurotic conditions.